Mikael Mia, this has been a good day for you guys at the All Englands. Safely through to first round tomorrow with a very convincing win. You must feel very happy.
We are very happy. When we started the draw, we would like to get into the main draw, but we didn't use the Taiwan's here, so we are very happy.
Obviously, you know, to get to a first round of an All England is a major event for any player. But also now the race is on for the World Championships. Is this very important for you, Mia, in that respect?
It's very, very important, yeah. I think we need another 6,000 points or something like that, so this is really good, yeah, definitely.
Obviously, you're probably building towards the World Championships, would I be right in saying that? And that's probably one of your main goals this year, to qualify for the Worlds?
Yeah, it is. We would like to play it again like last year. Last year we just made it, and we hope to qualify again this year. Actually.
The All England, you know, everyone talks about the All England as being like the Wimbledon of badminton, and it's every player's dream to play. Now that you're in the first round, what would you like to achieve? What do you realistically think you can do here?
Well, we are facing strong Chinese tomorrow, so I think we have to concentrate about our own game and just like this one, just relax and enjoy it.
Okay, thank you for your time and the very best of luck tomorrow.